All right, let's check on what we're smoking here today. So I've got some salmon over here. What I've done with the salmon is I started off with the 455 sauce, and that becomes my base. And then salt and pepper, I keep it real simple. Now the pork, that's the same pork that I've done on the oven before. I've pulled it, and now I put it in a pan, and I just poured the mojo on it. And what I'm doing with this is, I'm turning it now, I'm doing what I call the double smoked pulled pork. When I won that contest on my Cuban sandwich, that's the pork that I put on top of it. That was the winner. So wait till you try that. You got yourself a smoker, put it in a pan, keep it wet, takes about 2 to 2.5 hours at 225 degrees, and you end up, once it turns like this, you end up with double smoked pulled pork.